want me to purge you? Do I look like I'm playing with you?
It was supposed to be a simple eviction call. What happened next was anything but.
I'll tell them that. They'll come back there, handcuff your ass, and it's over with. What's up, Fort?
What's going on?
Who's standing out there?
What's going on, Hayes?
I don't want to put someone in federal prison, which is what I'm about to do.
We can't outside, okay?
Look, man, I'm not in no rush to get up, partner.
No, man, we're not doing this tonight.
Doing
Okay, we don't.
what?
And you and me always been cordial with each other, right?
Okay, for the most part, but what do you mean? Doing what, playboy?
Relax,
We ain't doing that, okay?
Just relax.
What are we doing?
We ain't doing nothing.
Okay, well, you can step outside now, sir.
No, it's not going
Oh, yeah, that's not going to happen?
Boss, relax.
Fam, do you want me to purge you?
Relax, relax. Relax, we're gonna talk outside, man.
We'll talk outside about everything's going
No,
on.
you're going to go outside or I'm going to purge you.
Okay, hold on, we're gonna talk outside.
Do I look like I'm playing?
Come on, hey, put your hands on the ground, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
All right, nothing. I got you.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Now,
Give me this hand. Give me this hand.
Look, I'm not resisting it.
Get your arm behind your back. Arm behind your back. Arm behind your back. Boss man.
Now,
Dude, relax.
no, you got him. Record this, babe. Look what he's doing to me. Early, you got your knee in my back and you're injuring me right now. Even more than I already am.
10-4.
Yep. Suing the Joliet. Hey, Early, you gotta move this knee. For real, you're hurting me right now. You're injuring that.
Hold on, relax, man.
I got you, I am, but you're hurting my f***ing shoulder, you asshole. I'm already injured, and I'm gonna get more mad. Stop. Hurry up. You can really let me up. I'm not gonna do nothing to my
You're good. You good. I got him.
I want to make sure.
Oh, you want to make sure what's wrong? That's right. Look, you're all out of breath.
So you know
lucky.
you're in custody for right now for I back to PO.
You threw your hand up at me. Straight up. It's on camera. You threw your hand up at me and tried to push me.
It's on camera.
Nah, I'm tired of you putting your f***ing hands on me.
Relax,
Okay.
man.
Dude, stop pushing on my shoulder.
Relax.
Stop that!
Hey,
Dude,
don't
if you
relax.
push on my f***ing shoulder again, I swear to God, I will call every sidekick entity to murder your ass. Get off of me now! You push on my arm one more time, and I swear, Early, I will f***ing call every gangster I know to shoot you in your mouth. Get off my shoulder now! Dumb assholes, look at my foot. It's already broken, you idiots. That's it. $50 million.
And this is only the start for his crazy demands.
Let's go. Your hands up on me first. And you act like it's cool.
Hey, is there more coming?
This is the boss.
Oh, I said we're good here now.
Oh no, we're not good. Straight up, I'm suing you guys for $500 million. Now put my
Your
boots
squad,
on, you
Lopez.
stupid motherfucker.
Squad out
My
front.
foot's already broken, you piece of shit motherfucker.
Okay.
I'm suing you for $5 billion.
Okay.
Look, it's bleeding right now. I can feel
You
it.
guys need next.
You stupid motherfucker. I need a medic. If I tell
We're
you
ready
to
to
get
get him
out,
up.
you're
Get him up.
supposed to.
We go.
Ah!
You understand?
What the
No. You walk down with your squad. So you can get a chance.
I'm gonna f***ing murder you, Ellie! We're not getting out of these cuffs! You're gonna f***ing die!
Stand up, man. Stand on your side.
Dude, my foot! Ah!
Alright,
There you go.
Dude, what the f***, man?
You got him?
Dude! That's it, Evans. Look at my... Ah!
What's wrong?
Dude, you f***ing...
Relax.
My f***ing foot's broke, goddammit! Ah!
So you can sit down then.
Get off of me!
Take him out. Come on, let's go. Let's get him out.
Ah! Ah!
Lopez, pull it up here.
Ah!
Have a seat. Which foot is broken?
My left one, you had toes broke, you dumbass!
Yeah, I just got it, man, alright? I don't know what's going on. Other than that you're bucking
You
and
put
screaming.
your f***ing hands on me again! Lopez did it! You do it! You guys always put your f***ing hands on me
Hey,
first!
hey,
Shut the f*** up, tell you!
Relax, man. Just be calm, okay?
I'm going to
bring it
purge.
up here.
Hey, I'll tell you
Please.
right now,
So we can
every
get 'em
single
right in.
gangbanger that's in this area is watching this shit, and they're about to purge every single one right here. You think I'm f***ing lying? Get them, boys! Kill them all! F*** that, look at my f***ing asshole! Ah!
Ambulance gets here. We got an ambulance coming.
God damn it, I can't walk!
Use your one foot, and you walk with a boot, you say. Come on.
Nigga, where's the fucking boot then, you fucking idiot?
We're gonna have you sit down in the squad so you're not freezing cold. We got an
Big
ambulance coming
freezing
for you.
cold, where's the goddamn ambulance?
It's coming. Well,
I swear to God, you're lucky.
Wait, hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Dude.
You're the one that fucked me up first.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
He lives here?
Technically. He's been
Look
here
at how many
long enough
police they have here for just me.
But the landlord
I'm the
doesn't know
one
he's staying here,
person.
but she wants him kicked out, but hasn't told the landlord.
Call the goddamn FBI now! I'm pressing charges. I am. Against all of you. $50 billion. Look at how many of you there are, and it's just one man? Oh, you don't want to listen? You want to talk over it? There's a camera right there. $50 billion.
Hey, this is a paramedic. I got your military boots. He's got some questions for you.
Nothing, dude. Just put the military boots on.
So what happened there today?
Okay, first off, in order to calm my energy and for me to not throat kick the shit out of both of you, I really do need a cigarette.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, dude.
Okay.
Who goes there?
All right, well, we're good. Hang on.
Check his cross.
My name is Joker, and I will kick the shit out of him. And it will take 30 guys to hold me down. You have no idea. I can move through all of them. Early, your ass is done, dude. And so's the other Lopez, the one that ran up here and put his little hands on me. You see this racism shit they pull on us, bro? Look what they're doing to me, and I'm homeless. What the f did I do? A white lady attacked me inside my house, and now I'm in trouble.
I'm sorry that happened.
No, you not.
Yes, I am, bro.
Because look at what he's doing. He's doing the same thing. I'm not even lying to you. I'm involved in a class action lawsuit at Geodis right there on McDonough because all these white people are trumping, and he's doing it too because they're scared. Because the white people's reign of terror and what they've been doing to all of us is coming to an end. And I'm fighting against them by myself. I'll be damned if my grandma fucking freedom marched in the 50s for me to go into Geodis and experience the same goddamn thing. And that experience here, it says white people being f***ed up. And I am white. I'm 75% black, 22% f***ing white. My grandma's 100% Irish. I have a white stepfather. And look at this bitch ass trumping on me. I have literally been taking care of everyone around me all by myself, fam. And he can't even train right. Why is he out of breath? If anything, if two are attacking me, I should be out of breath. How am I the one that's talking the most right now? But that bitch that's out of breath and spitting on the ground. He spat on the ground like that because what he was saying is, I'll spit on you.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery, resisting a peace officer, and aggravated assault. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.